Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back again with a new tutorial video. So, last video I uploaded was on how to create your free domain. So if you want to check that one out, so there will be links in the description, or also you can check on this channel. It will be on the playlist. So don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how to create or to have a web host. So again, free web host. So it says here that free unlimited web hosting. So as you know, the some of the web hosts requires you to pay, and also the resources are limited. So this is a good website that offers free web hosting. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. Okay, so first things first, let's register for this website. By the way, the website is infinityfree.net. So, and click sign up now, and then we'll just go in domain, and then we'll create our password, and then do some captchas. Okay, I agree to the terms of service, even though we don't read one out, but well, it's to our email. So let's check our email. Oh, there you go. Verify email address. It says here that yeah, we're already registered. Okay, to create a new account, so obviously there is a green box in here that says create new account. Create new account, and then we are going now to have our domain here. See, you can use a free subdomain, or you can use, or we can use our own domain. So since we have here our own domain, we will put it here, your average va.ml. By the way, for those who haven't seen my first video, so the extension would be ML. Since it's a free domain, we can control the extension, but you can control your domain, but not the extension. But it's not that bothering, unlike other free domain that it's only a subdomain. So for example, Wix, it will say your average va.wix.com. yeah, it's kind of long, but here it's only 2 letters for the extension. So after that, on our domain website, we are going to click this manage domain, this one, so that we can bind the hosting and the domain. Okay, and then we'll click this management tool, and then the name servers. Okay, in the name servers, we're going to click change, or the custom name server. So we'll go back on our hosting, and as you can see, there is a name server here that says ns1.epz.com. so we'll copy that one out, and then we'll paste it here. So since there are 5 name servers, and then as you can see, ns1 and then ns2, so we're just going to copy all that one all to 5, and then we'll just replace the number here. There, 4, and then 5, and then click change name servers. Okay, and then we'll put our log in for us to change our name server, and there you go. The name server has been changed. Then we'll go back in here, and then here account username, account password will be generated automatically, and then click the CAPTCHA. Mountains or hills. There is mountain. Okay, verify, and then create account. There you go. So we're setting up FZ2346, so that would be your username, and website for your average va.ml for you. So it takes a few minutes for the account to be ready, and then and then we can now check here for the status of the websites. So the website is still processing, so we'll just have to wait for it. And then the password here, there you go, there is the password, and also the username. So this will be used on your control panel, so we'll just have to wait. You can check the control panel. So the control panel in here is a cPanel. So here, so we now have our cPanel here, so we can install here our WordPress if you're going to use WordPress. But if you're going to use HTML CSS, you can upload it here on the file manager, so that would be another video. And then for the installation of the WordPress on your account, that would be on the next part of this tutorial process. So we can try on checking our website. If it is still if it's up. Oh, there you go. So let's make something awesome. So as you can see, our website, your average va.ml, has been hosted by Infinity Free. So all we have to do now is create our website, and also if you want some WordPress, so we can definitely install WordPress on your cPanel. So watch out for the next video for the installation of WordPress, and don't forget to like and subscribe for this channel, please, to support this channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification once I upload a new video. Again, thank you guys for watching this video, and again, let's make something awesome. Bye bye.